I would like to show you some results that I have gotten over the past 24 hours with my automatic pay. Please allow me to log into my back office, show you around a little bit, and what is possible. If you take this system and use it to your advantage, make the commitment, and remain consistent with your marketing efforts. So I'm going to go ahead and log in right now to my back office to show you exactly what awaits you when you join this awesome business called My Automatic Pay. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and log in right now. And I have a lot of review videos out there for My Automatic Pay on my channel. Now, I'm not showing you this, nor do I show you these results to brag or boast by any means. My purpose for doing so is just simply twofold. I just want you to know that this simple little system I joined back in November of last year is still very much going strong today. And I also want you to know that I'm somebody who is qualified to be able to show you exactly how to do this business, which is how to earn income online in 2022 and beyond. If you have goals of earning consistently online, then you want to be working with someone who has already accomplished that and so much more. I've been helping people to earn online now for well over a decade, and this is something that I'm truly passionate about. This is my back office, this is the dashboard, and these statistics update every 24 hours. This is what's possible with the system and what I was able to earn with my automatic pay over the last 24 hours. 2 commissions came in, earning me a total of $494. Okay, so with that being said, folks, I also have a lot of special additional resources and bonuses in place that I have put together to be able to help you to succeed when you join with me in my automatic pay. Now, I want to let you know that these are my personal results from yesterday, the last 24 hours. Now, I can't guarantee any income, nor can I make any claims, guarantees, or promises. But what I can share with you is simply what's possible if you remain consistent with your marketing efforts and utilize to the fullest the proven, tested resources here in the back office, as well as the traffic resources as well with the M.A.P system. I can also share with you my additional resources and training, which I will do to help you to get the best results possible when you get started. Now, you're going to get a complete marketing funnel right here within the activation. When you activate your website, you'll have a choice of capture pages and sales pages. These are some of the best, most responsive, highest converting capture pages and sales pages in the industry, as well as a built-in autoresponder with professionally written emails and the ability to be able to send out emails to your list whenever you desire. You will also receive simple setup tutorials along with marketing training videos that are very user friendly and newbie friendly for both online and offline marketing. Here's where you will go to take advantage of the done for you marketing. There's a multitude of different options, something here to fit everybody's budget, from direct response marketing to solo ads to postcards, sales letters and flyers, mailing labels, a rotator option available as an option for your team, along with drop cards, bridge pages, an 800 toll-free number that you can use for your marketing, a great, simple, proven strategy to assist you in making more 247 payments, as well as the option to participate in our ongoing traffic co-op through the ever popular home business advertiser. We also have a myriad of resources here that I encourage you to tap into and take full advantage of. From the 10 core commitments to the broadcast opt-in emails for follow-up, welcome email to send to your new team members, top earners secrets, emails to give you the third-party autoresponder option if you choose to do that through your own autoresponder, such as Aweber or GetResponse, just to name a few of the most popular household names. A complete overview video that literally takes you by the hand to show you exactly how to set up this entire system for the best results. How to set up your payment options, how to forward your domain name, the full compensation plan update, how to leverage this awesome compensation plan through pass-ups. There's a full audio library jam-packed with so much value. You'll learn how to maximize the compensation plan and a full system overview additional video as well to help you with complete follow-up strategies to help you to get the biggest results and the best results possible through this system. Okay, here is the information on the founders that I just mentioned right here. Okay, so with that being said, folks, this system is everything and so much more. I love it because the support is the best in the industry by far. I believe M.A.P to be at the top of the small ticket opportunities in today's online space because it comes down to these owners right here, Frank and Laura Vinciano. And they have created last year this wonderful system right here called M.A.P. Okay? And they've gone above and beyond the call of duty with their strong commitment and work ethic in doing everything possible behind the scenes, actively and ongoing to ensure that the members of M.A.P succeed. Frank works diligently to always update this M.A.P system and testing it and always adding new, fresh marketing content to the system. And as you can see right here, these new announcements are the fresh content and the fresh value and the training and the products that have been recently updated this past month within M.A.P. Okay? So he's always adding marketing content to the system for the best conversions, as well as new trainings, new products, new traffic resources for both online as well as offline marketing. Now, whether you realize it or not, folks, support is very essential and very vital for long-term success. I can honestly tell you right now that the support inside of M.A.P is by far the best that you will find out there in today's marketplace. Okay? Over the years, I've unfortunately experienced just the opposite. Very unresponsive owners who do nothing more than hide behind the scenes. Unfortunately, this is what leads to the demise of a business. I am, however, fully confident that with the loyalty and dedication of the M.A.P owners, that M.A.P will be here to help many individuals to reach their goals for a very long time to come. And I will be here as well to help you every step of the way to ensure your online success. So with all of that being said, I would love to welcome you to my automatic pay and to my M.A.P team in advance. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside very soon. Make it a great day. Thank you very much.